Welcome. In this video I will show you how to get your cursor or mouse pointer back on your laptop screen in case your touchpad stopped working on your Dell Latitude 7410 laptop. So if you don't have any external mouse around, you can use your keyboard. If you have your external mouse around, definitely use it instead. It will be more comfortable, but I'm gonna show you how to do it without a mouse. So in order to get your cursor back on the screen, press Windows and press Tab once, Tab button. Then use arrow keys to navigate in this menu, and this way navigate to settings and press enter to open them. Press Tab 2 times to go to the elements list on your sidebar. Navigate through them to Bluetooth and devices. You can navigate using, once again, up and down arrow keys. Press enter to select Bluetooth and devices, and then press Tab 5 more times until you hit the devices option. Navigate down to touchpad, press enter, and now if your touchpad is disabled here like this, press spacebar to enable it. Then you can also press spacebar to disable it. But if your touchpad still isn't working, then you can press Alt F4 combination of keys to close this window. Then press Windows and search for Device Manager. Once you find Device Manager, press enter to open it. Press Tab and use your down arrow key to navigate to Human Interface Devices. Then press right arrow button to expand this list, and here we have a huge list of devices, but the one we're looking for is called I2C HID Device. So navigate down to it and press enter, and once you are here you have to press Tab several times until you have the general tab selected. Right here. Once general is selected, press right arrow button to navigate to driver, and so let's try a couple of different things here. First of all, press Tab several times until you hit the disable device option, and press enter or spacebar to select it, and left arrow key to select yes, enter, and then your device will be disabled. To enable it, press enter once again, and then check if your touchpad started working, and if it didn't, press Tab once again to select Uninstall device option, press enter once again. Alright, at this point your touchpad will definitely stop working, and in order to re-enable it you have to press Alt F4 once again. Once you see this window, press down arrow key to select restart, and then press enter to confirm, and wait until your device is restarted. Once your device is restarted, check if your touchpad started working. If it still isn't working, then at this point I suspect that there might be a hardware issue on your computer, a hardware issue with your touchpad, and in case you want to repair it, you're gonna have to contact Dell customer support service and tell them about your issue, and maybe send your laptop to them for repair, or maybe they will guide you through some more troubleshooting steps, some I don't know, of which I don't know anything about, but generally speaking, yeah, most probably you're gonna have to send your laptop to them, or just take it out to the nearest repair center for some specialists to take care of your laptop. Now let's check if the touchpad is working right now. Now in my case, yeah, honestly in my case it never stopped working, so yeah. I hope that that this solution fixed the problem for you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.